Good morning, everybody. Here to wash out another t-shirt.
I'm excited about this one.
Me too. I think this one's gonna look really good. This is our Sherbet yoke with scrunched bottom. I think it's going to be very beautiful indeed. It's got a very nice color pattern to it. How it goes from the hot pink all the way up to the lighter colors, lighter greens, then to the beautiful deep cayman. What's that side look like? Yeah, let's see. Look at this. See? Oh yeah, look at that. See? Beautiful deep cayman on the other side there. These are kind of hard to spray out here, so you're just going to get most of the color to run clear in the water, and then we'll take it inside and start unbanding it into the warm water. The cold flowing out here.
It also helps if you have a really high pressure hose.
Yep. Ours isn't the highest, but it does okay. Look at that thing. It's a medium, I believe, too.
Yep.
To the inside? All right. Alright, let's get him unbanded. Beautiful, beautiful pattern.
So far, so good.
Deep and beautiful, that pink. I love that hot pink, man. I'm not a big fan of pink or magenta in general, but that color in particular looks pretty good. We've got one that's supposed to be like that color when it's washed out, and I'm about to mix it up, so we're going to experiment with it next time. Ooh, look at that. That made a nice pattern. What was that in there? Was that a...
Cayman Island Deep Purple.
Cayman Island Deep Purple. I
Yeah.
remember that one. I like that a lot. That makes a cool cosmic or something. Yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah. Nice.
And I like how it put all the black on the edges.
Yep. Let's see what we got.
Wow.
Ooh. Nice. Look at that, folks. Look at the range from the neckline all the way down. That's nice. Okay. Definitely a win there. Cool, cool, cool. Awesome. Wow.
Beautiful.
Yes. Yes, yes, yes. And we're gonna do some more of those like fruit yolk ones. I want to do a lemon yolk and an orange yolk. Look forward to those too.
Alright, I think we're ready.
Alright. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Okay. That came out pretty good. Look at that. Good striation. Oh yeah. I love how that bottom scrunch came out. Nice and deep. Mix of lavender, deep purple, turquoise. Oh yeah. Look at that. All the way to the sleeves. Oh yeah. Perfect pleated yoke. I think she called this a sherbet yoke. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Especially the back, I got those dark striations. Oh yeah. Not too bad. Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.